Hi there. Here we're going to learn the process for the creation of a PBL or the creation of a project-based learning. So first, we're going to see this chart, this graphic, the process for the creation of a PBL. Number one, it is important, necessary, to get an idea. The idea is going to be the topic, the relevant idea or topic. We can start with a brainstorming and get ideas about the situations that is happening, the situations that are happening in the environment. It could be social, at school, like a scholar situation. It depends on what we want to work. Then we need to choose the evaluation criteria. After that, we need to choose the question or the challenge. What are we going to do to solve the situation? Number 4, we need to create learning activities in which our students are going to develop different skills or practice what they know, share what they know. And number 5, we're going to get the final product. And number 6, we're going to choose our audience. Then we can see something else here. Okay, an idea or topic that is relevant to the students. We can activating and promoting interest in their environment, something they are relatively familiar with, lies in the activation so that their learning is contextualized and acquire an incentive of motivation. If we are going to work on something that they don't have an idea, it is going to be a little bit bored for them. So if we think about what they like, what they talk a lot, so we can start from there. The evaluation criteria help us to concretize the learning and narrow down the project. They are also broad that any aspect of heritage can easily facilitate the development of our students' learning. So that's going to be our resource for us as teachers to know if our student is developing something new or learning something new. Guiding questions or challenge transform the topic into a challenge through a simulation question. So according to the question, we can create the solution. The learning activities agree with the students on what activities to be carried out through the project. If we can create activities at the beginning, during the process, and at the end. And of course, the evaluation. So the final product, the challenge will be solved with a final product, like a presentation, because that's the other, the final part, the development. We need to choose an audience, but the final product is going to be the creation. So about what are we working on, a video, a magazine, an infographic. It depends on the topic that you choose. The audience, the product must always be presented to an audience. We need to present the result, the process of the creation of a PBL, how do we start and how do we continue working, and the final product. So they can be students from another level, families, experts, teachers, people that are going to help us to improve the learning that we got during the PBL. The development, like idea generation, the budgeting of ideas, development, testing and concepts, analysis and product. This is to elaborate the product to the specific applications or software will be used. Like if we can create a video or infographics, magazines, depending on the level and age of our students. And the presentation that is going to be really good for our students, because they are going to talk about what they learned, what they did during the process, during the project, and what results they get from that. So these are the steps. You can use it as a guide and create your plan. This is PBL. The most important thing, or the idea that I want to emphasize is that with PBL, our students develop their critical thinking. They become critical thinkers, and that's the better way, the best objective for us as teachers. So now, create your PBL plan and apply PBL in your classroom.